Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. I am excited to lead you through a refreshing 15-minute Vinyasa flow designed specifically for office workers. This practice will help release tension, improve your posture, and energize you for the rest of your day, whether you're taking a break during lunch or winding down after a long working day. So find a comfortable space and meet me on the mat. Sit cross-legged with your hands on your knees. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Keep your spine straight. Relax your shoulders. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Set an intention for your practice that you're here to balance out your mind, your body after long working hours. Cat and cow pose. Come to all fours in a tabletop position. Inhale, arch your back and lift your tailbone. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin to your chest. Repeat for several cycles, moving with your breath. Downward facing dog. Tuck your toes, lift your hips, and press your chest toward your thighs. Imagine your butt is reaching up toward the ceiling, creating length in your spine and deepening the stretch in the back of your legs. Relax your shoulders and let your head be heavy. Allow your tension to melt away. You can keep your knees slightly bent if needed. Press your heels toward the floor and pedal your feet for a gentle stretch. Forward fold. Walk your feet toward your hands and let your upper body hang. Again, let your head be heavy. Here you should bend your knees slightly to protect your knees and stretch your lower back better. Wrap opposite elbows and sway gently side to side. Feel the blood flowing up to your head, moving the energy through your spine. Halfway lift. Inhale, place your hands on your shins or thighs and lengthen your spine. Don't look up so you can keep the back of your neck and your spine flat. Hold for a few breaths. Mountain pose. Stand tall with feet together or hip width apart, arms at your sides. Round down through your feet and engage your thighs. And reach your arms overhead on an inhale. Put your hands down and raise your arms overhead. Forward fold, bending your knees if needed. Halfway lift. Step or jump back to plank. Lower down, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Repeat this flow 2 more times and flowing with your breath. We'll meet each other at the downward facing dog. Warrior 1. Step your right foot forward, bend your front knee and raise your arms overhead. Pull your belly button in to activate your core and keep your back leg straight. Hold for 6 breaths. Warrior 2. From here, open your arms to the side, gaze toward your right hand. Keep your front knee bent and back leg strong. Remember to slightly open the right knee because it will tend to move a little bit inward, and hold for 6 breaths. Extended side angle. Lower your front elbow to your knee, extending your opposite arm overhead. Engage your core and hold for 6 breaths. Back to Warrior 2. Switch sides. Put your hands down and move through Vinyasa, and we'll meet each other in Downward Dog. From here, raise your left leg up and step it forward. Warrior 1. Hold for 6 breaths. Warrior 2, and hold for 6 breaths. Extended side angle. Stay here for 6 breaths. Imagine you're reaching something far away by your right hand and feel the stretch along your right side. Back to Warrior 2. Wide-legged forward fold. Now from Warrior 2, straighten your front leg and turn your left foot in so your feet are parallel. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, hinge at your hips to fold forward into wide-legged forward fold. Let your head hang heavy and feel the stretch in the back of your legs and inner thighs. Stay here for a few breaths. With each exhale, you can really feel that your tension fading away, just like how I am feeling right now. Lying back twist. Now slowly come down onto your back and hug your knees into your chest for a moment. You'll see that this is a wonderful way to stretch your lower back and relax. Now drop your left leg down and bring your right knee over to the left side of your body. Extend your right arm out to the side, keeping your shoulders flat on the mat. Turn your head to the right and use your left hand to gently press your left knee down to deepen the stretch in your spine. Take several deep breaths here. and we'll switch sides. Savasana. Lie flat on your back, arms at your sides, with palms facing up. Close your eyes and allow your body to relax completely. Focus on your breath and let go of any stress. Slowly come back to a seated position when you're ready. Take a few deep breaths and reflect on how you feel after your practice. Drop me comments on your feelings so that we can connect better. I hope you enjoy this flow to release your day's tension and balance out your mind. See you next time.